Well, we're hitting the road again with our car guru, Lauren Fix.
She's helping us get under the engine and under the hood, actually, and debunk some of the car myths of this morning. This hour we have some brand new myths to test her out with. Thanks for joining us, Lauren, once again. All right, you get better gas mileage if you turn off your AC. True or false?
No, that's not true anymore. That's false. It used to be if you got a car from the 80s or 90s, but the new vehicles have a completely separate system, and so don't worry about it. Just run the air conditioning and be comfortable, especially in these hot, humid days.
Amen.
Makes for bad hair days.
Yeah, Jen lets her gasket all the way down to the empty side. You hear that, Jen? You don't have to turn your air off. You don't have to sweat that one out.
I don't sweat it. I don't worry.
Yeah.
Fill the gas tank more often,
Yeah,
too.
you don't have to literally, maybe figuratively, you sweat it out. Now, you should wait until 40 miles an hour to turn the AC on.
No, it's again a myth. That is absolutely not true. Get in the vehicle, just like you do with the heat, turn it on, make sure you're comfortable. That's really what it's all about.
It's actually be under 40 miles an hour. If you do it over, it's supposed to be stressful on the car, but she just said it's a myth, so do it anytime you want. All right, Lauren, I'm going to answer this one for you. 7 coats of wax give you the best shot.
Yeah.
I mean,
that'll take you all day.
Yeah. Oh, 2 days.
Oh, my gosh. Right. Wax on, wax off burns 200 calories an hour, but the truth is there are new, really cool synthetic and cool updated products like OptiCoat. You can have your car OptiCoated, and water just run off.
Once a year, twice a year?
I do it twice a year, but if you're using some of these new updated waxes and coatings, you don't even need it. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh,
wow.
Good.
Just do it once a year.
How about this one? Your gas mileage goes down when you roll down the windows. Does it add more drag?
Yes, it does. That's absolutely true. So if you're driving 40 miles an hour and you got the windows down, we used to call that 255 when you didn't have air conditioning. In my day, you put the windows down and go 55 miles an hour. That really just causes more drag. Vehicles are designed with the windows up, so you get the best fuel economy.
So you get more money when you fill your gas tank in the morning.
That is true, because typically they change the prices, but you got to watch. You don't know if it goes up or down. Of course, you can watch the news, and you guys do a gas report as well. So you can find out that, hey, they're changing. Looks like gas prices are going up. Fill up in the morning, because by 10 o'clock, they're changing those prices.
Is there a best day to buy gas?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I've been told weekends, typically Friday.
Their money's
they up the prices for the weekend, especially holiday. That's really big. You want to wait like 2 days before the holiday.
I thought you were going to say you get more for your money when you fill the tank in the morning because it's like cold, everything is settled in. You can maybe get more gas in your tank.
Maybe a tablespoon.
All right, let's get to, can you drive a long distance on empty? This one's for Jen because she literally just sits on empty.
Okay, I have a rule during the winter. I always run a half a tank because you don't want moisture in your fuel tank.
I love you.
I knew it. I knew you were like that.
I run that.
But in the summer, I can't go below quarter tank because if you've ever been stuck on the side of the road, it is a problem. Now, every vehicle is different. Sometimes you hit that little red zone. It could be 20 miles empty. It could be 5 till empty. And unless you know, and of course that's not printed anywhere, I suggest that you wait no less than a quarter of a tank. Fill it up. It's worth it. Why get stuck?
What if you're in traffic on the highway and it's 95 degrees outside and you're on fumes?
He does not let it go below half a tank. Do you think that's a little much?
OCD? Yes, it is. But that's okay.
No, I'm like that too. I'm a safety person, and I agree with you, Jim.
All right,
I
Lauren,
would do the same
15 seconds. Why is right now a good time to buy a car? You said that last hour.
Great time to buy a car at the end of the month, and the end, in this case, we just started into the month, at the end of the month, so last week, and also the end of the model year. So right now, they're getting 2020s in the dealerships.
I did that with my car.
Great time to get a deal. Tons of incentives. They want to get those 2019s off the lot. The first day of the month, they have to pay finance charges on each vehicle that's there. So on a new car, believe me, they want that off the lot.
Jen, now's your time.
Great
Lauren,
deals.
I'm glad you said that. Jen's car actually leaks water.
Jen,
did you hear that?
One person I don't want to disappoint.